Hi guys, I'm back. It's Mick. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I've been going through some family things. But I got an order in. I ordered from Lindey Glenn, whom I love to order from. I like following her, and she taught me like almost everything I know. So props. Anyways, so yes, I ordered one of her jean boxes that she just did since she's doing away with clothing and she's doing like hard goods. And I had stuff going on, so I wasn't even aware, and I got on Instagram and I saw a post that she talked about how she had previously talked about it and was doing it, and that she had already started it or whatever. So I was like, oh no, I've gotten, stuff from her before, and this is probably the last clothing box I can ever get. So I like hurried up and went over there, and almost everything was sold out, but I was able to get a box of jeans. So let me pull this up and I'll tell you exactly what I got, or what I ordered, or yeah, all that good stuff. I also ordered a sweatshirt from her, Kiss Lip sweatshirt. It's really cute. Okay. Says 4 women's jeans, $7. Not bad, right? Reseller box, 4 women's denim mixed sizes, $7. So I think that means 4 pair of jeans. All women's denim, mixed sizes, 00/26W plus. Mostly jeans, but may contain some capris, shorts, skirts, or overalls. Mostly used, but some new with tags mixed in. Various brands and styles. So the future is female. That's a cute shirt. Anyways, I don't know if she even has anything left. Because I heard that her closet was empty. No, she still has things for sale. She has a closet clear out going on. See, those shirts are all, that's the thing. Sometimes I like things, but they're junior. I do know that I sent her an offer type deal going on with the sweatshirt I ordered, and she completely accepted and was completely polite about it. But of course, I love her. I love watching her videos, and she's helped me more than I think anyone. She explains things simpler. Like, I don't even know. So if you don't know who she is, you should definitely go over and check her channel out. Anyways, so let's get to this unboxing. Let me move that. Okay, so let's open this box. It does say Lindey Glenn. I will show you her name, but not her address, obviously. So if you can see, let's see, right there. See, it says Lindey Glenn. So this is from, something like that. Okay, got a knife. Watch out. I'll cut myself because that's the story of my life. Goofy things. I don't want to cut anything. There. Okay. So, here is what I got. Alright. These look like they might be plus size right here on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, if these are plus, that'd be awesome. Okay. So, the first pair are Style & Co. women's jeans. They're boot cut. And they are size 18W wide. I don't know if that shows up on there. And they're cute little jeans. They got the double button going on. Little flap pocket things. They're a like a wide leg. Okay. Dark color. Good deal. And it's got some designs on it. Right there. Designs on the buttons too. So, okay. The next pair is like a black color. See? Cute design with some shininess. I don't know what that is. Okay. White House Black Market. Size 4S. Nice jeans. Let's see. What do they say? Feel beautiful. Okay, so White House Black Market. And I didn't even do that with these, but let me show you real quick. Right here. Yes, I know. Okay, so these, they are a boot cut. If you can tell, in the back pockets. They're pretty cute. So, those are cute, really good condition. I like them. Neither pair fit me, so can't keep them. Let's see, now these might be plus. Okay, these are Lee. Comfort waistband stretch. And they say 18 short. Okay, I thought they might be. Let's see. Can you see it right at the bottom? I don't even know where it's at. Hang on. Oh, right here. 18 short. There's the back with the flat pockets. They are like a straight leg, I think. They sure are shorts. Okay. And then all of that. Last pair. Oops, sorry. These are Maurice's 5'6" short. That was my cat, sorry. Cute pants. Or jeans, I guess. It's cute little designs going on. These look like they are bootleg. Look at that. That's nice little. And then the back pockets are cute. These are really cute. These are probably my favorite designs, but of course nothing fits me. Maurice's little thing there. Oh, it's got like this little design inside as well. The trim. So, yeah. I was hoping to have both of them. Hopefully I can do the sweater next and add it to this video tomorrow. And so that is the unboxing from Poshmark. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And you can follow along, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And that was my cat again. And until next time, bye guys.